Another year, another new iPhone. What we have here is the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Coming up is an unboxing, a closer look at the new color, and of course, a look at the new camera control button. So let the unboxing begin. This new phone is not only big, it's bigger than before. From 6.7 inches, the screen has now gone up to 6.9 inches. This makes it ever so slightly taller and wider. A new phone also brings with it a new color, and it's called Desert Titanium. Looks classy, doesn't it? Time to switch it on. Notice something different on the side edges? That's the new camera control button. You can use it to shoot and also control different camera features. This might just change the way we shoot photos and videos. The phone runs iOS 18 right out of the box. So you get all the goodies like home screen customization, new control center, and eventually Apple Intelligence. Can't wait to use this phone and share my thoughts. Like and subscribe for more such videos and all things tech.